Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is March 9th, 2018. And this one here is my second motor for today. It's a couple hours later than the last video. That other 5.5 Evander took quite a while to burn out that, I don't know, it's probably about 3/4 of a gallon of gas. Anyway, and it didn't even completely run it out. I just gave up. Anyway, this is motor number 2. This one here is a 1956 Johnson 5.5. This motor was brought to me a few days ago to get it serviced. Very important for the individual to get this motor running, and it was a mess. It had probably never been serviced before, so it needed everything, so it needed all new gear case seals, needed a new water pump impeller, needed a power head base gasket, needed the lower crankshaft seals. It needed new coils, points, condensers, wires, and plugs, carburetor kit, and fuel hoses. But it's a nice low hour motor. Sounds great. He also had me go through the pressure tank, leaving that empty for him. So, we'll be showing this one. I do have the test wheel on it. Running that 16 to 1 and reverse. Pumping water like crazy. Pumping water really well. Almost ship. It dialed right in. That was right down. It's a very nice low hour motor. Quiet as a mouse too. Okay, that'll do it on this one. We'll see if we can get the next one in. Thank you for watching. Bye.